are sensory toys, and what purpose do they serve? How do they benefit those with autism? What are the best ones to put in a sensory bag for travel? These questions and more will be answered in this video. Research shows that sensory play builds nerve connections in the brain pathways, which lead to the child's ability to complete more complex learning tasks. Sensory toys help children with autism relax, focus, and calm down to a scenario or event. They also help develop social learning skills like negotiating, planning, and sharing. It is important to remember to have a variety of textures in your sensory toy collection. Here is what is in our bag. We found a lot of ribbon in our local craft store that have a lot of different textures. This one is made out of fur, and it is great to include soft textures in your sensory kit. I cut off a smaller piece and I included it in our kit. My son loves the soft texture. We also found sequins on a ribbon, and these are great sensory tools. The sequin ribbon is just the right size for our kit and small hands. Little soft animals are great company for a child who is overwhelmed. My son's favorite animals are blue jays and cats, and he can hold them when he needs to calm down. This little bendable snake is fun to manipulate and also gives that auditory input when it clicks. You can make it different shapes or just move it around on your fingers and feel it move. Squishy stress balls are a must in any sensory kit. You can find many different ones that feel and look different. The texture and movement in your hands provides a calming effect. This ring is made of rubber and has softer spikes all over the inside and outside of it. It's great to squeeze and put on your wrists for that input when it's needed. Stretching and pulling helps to calm the sensory system. Tools like this stretchy snake help accomplish this goal. Brushing or moving textures up and down arms or legs help provide proprioceptive input. This harder spiked plastic ball can be used for this purpose. We all know fidget spinners and how they can help with maintaining focus. This is because the hands are controlling the fidgets to allow the brain to focus on something else. You can also watch and listen to the spinner as a calm down strategy. Play-Doh is always a fun thing to squish, feel, and manipulate. This tiny can is easy to store and has just the right amount of Play-Doh. The bag we use is a plastic zip bag found in the luggage section of Target. It seals tightly, is durable, and holds a great deal of items. These noise-canceling headphones have a top piece that's soft and soft earpieces. No sensory kit is complete without noise-canceling headphones. The ones that we use have a Bluetooth and they connect to his iPad. Here's our complete kit that we put in our backpack everywhere we go. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please subscribe to our channel. We have many videos just like this and others that include tips and tricks to help children with different needs.